Today's video you're going to watch, or you're about ready to see, actually was recorded about 3 weeks to a month ago. We was having a beautiful warm day. As you can tell, it's not like that today. The reason this video is airing at a different date is because I had it for a spare video in case I needed to put something up, and I did. I've been sick, my wife's been sick, so we wasn't able to get a video, do any ventures, so this, excuse me, is the spare. So enjoy today's video. It's cold right now. It is wind chill 8 degrees when it blows, and it's going to be the complete opposite of what you're getting ready to see. I'm getting ready to do another video while I'm up here, and I got Kitt. It's just me and him today. And yeah, enjoy what you see, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Well, wait a minute, you got to watch this one first. All right, here you go. Now, today's video is not going to be done with my bigger camera. It's all going to be done with my GoPro. And today's video, it is 66 degrees in February, guys. I am up here at Versailles State Park, and look at this. This is all iced over still. All the way through here, it's all icy. It is weird standing outside without any coat on whatsoever. And it's completely warm. It's wonderful out here. 66 degrees in February. 66 degrees and ice on the water. Unbelievable. Well, that's why today's video is now. This is a day that we usually don't videotape. We got off work early. 66 degrees, and Angie and I like, we are not going to waste this day, are we?
Nope. Not
1 ounce of it. We got about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours till it starts getting dark. And I was like, you know what? Let's just go up to Versailles. Yeah. So guys, we're just going to walk around, get some video footage. We're going to head to the dam from here. And that's pretty much what it's about. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh my word, that looks so beautiful. Oh. You know, when we get down to the dam, if it's still frozen, I wonder how thick the ice is down there. But wow. I do have an update. Now, I'm going to probably mention this update the closer it gets to spring. Right now, as of this time through the winter months, I'm probably going to produce only 2 videos a week. Yes, I did produce that skit video, but it was just a skit. And maybe every now and then I might come up with something like that. But pretty much 2 videos a week. Come spring and summer, 3 videos, guys. That's right. You're going to have 3 videos, and one of the videos, obviously, or if not a couple of them, I hope that wind ain't messing with me right now. Okay, I had to pull the battery out of my GoPro because it started acting up. I don't even have it on my selfie stick. I'm holding with my hand. But yes, one of the videos will probably be fishing, which will be interesting this year because we're trying places we've never been before. All right, let me put you back on the selfie stick. We're going to head to the dam. Oh, the falls are running good right now. Now, I won't be able to get that good of a shot because there's people down here fishing. Oh boy, are they flowing good now. Oh yeah. It is so peaceful down here, isn't it? Oh my word. It's beautiful. Now I could have went a little bit further down here, but I didn't interrupt them people fishing. Yeah. I'm not sure how they feel about it. It's probably on my video, yeah. I probably accidentally got them. But we're gonna go over this way and get the falls this way. Oh yes. I just made a huge mistake. I just walked through sticker bushes. Oh, because I was going to get that limestone right there in that wall. And the falls. And the shot of the falls this way. Made a huge mistake. They stuck into my leg like you would not believe. Okay guys, hope you can hear me. But look at this sight. We're going to walk on down and pan a little bit side to side. And I got Kitt with me, and I got to keep an eye on him along with me and my wife behind me. But wow, look at this. Okay, we're gonna make it down to that point and get the water, then I guess we'll head up. Oh wow, look at this. Now, you know, I'm going oh wow, but I've been over here multiple times throughout the years. And it still gets me, guys. You know, I could come back tomorrow and it will still amaze me, because it's one of the prettiest places I know of that I've ever been to. And Kitt, don't pull, Daddy. Okay, this next part coming up, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna let you hear Mother Nature at her best. Okay, I want to go over there. I want to get something that is not exactly a snowman, but I'm going to see what you guys see what you guys think it looks like. Now, my dog just walked through some big rocks, okay? That tells me something. That tells me he's okay to walk through some rocks. It's not going to hurt him. And the reason I'm saying this is, I want to go back to the big tunnel in Tunnelton, Indiana. You know, the haunted tunnel? And I want to go redo that video. I want to go back there because it's one of the most amazing places I've ever been. But I was a little worried about taking Kitt in there. I'm still a little worried about it being pitch black in there. But we will have a very powerful light when I do go back. I still got to get one. But yeah, it makes me happy to know we can handle that. Okay, right over here, it used to, I'm guessing it might have been a snowman at one time. But it don't look like a snowman anymore. Okay, I'm gonna show you all what I see. And then after I show you, I want you to put down in the comments, what's it look like to you?
Car coming.
Oh, car coming. Whoops, standing right in the middle of the road. And then I'm gonna tell you what I think it looks like. All right, here you go. Here's the front of it. And I'll move a little bit to the side. Put down in the comments right now, what does this look like to you? Especially from a little bit of a distance. Doesn't it look like a toilet, a commode? To me, it looks like a toilet. And yes, Angie just pointed out this was a snowman at one time. Matter of fact, I remember now. Yeah. So we came down here before all the Blair, well, most of Blair melted off. And yeah, that stick was part of his arm, I remember. Yeah. Ain't much more Blair left, is there? Hey Kitt, it's gonna feel weird touching snow without any coat on. You gonna put his arm back?
I'll put his arm back.
You're so nice.
I know.
We find another stick, we put another arm on him. Are you gonna put eyeballs on him? There you go. Well, that's one
nose.
Actually, was that might have been his nose.
That might have been.
Oh, there we go. There's two of them. Yeah. There we go. You know what it looks like? A thing off of Ghostbusters.
Slimer.
Yeah, Slimer. There we go. Now we just turned the commode into Slimer. And Angie's going to put another arm on him. Stick that right in there. There we go. Slimer, guys. You just brought the snowman back to life and changed him over to Slimer.
Yep.
What do you think about that, Bubby?
At least he doesn't look like a toilet anymore.
You just probably want to pee on him, don't you? Come on. Want to go pee on him? He didn't do it. Well, guys, this has been my 66-degree day here in February. we're getting ready to head to the car now. We gotta stop at the store, get some suppers, and continue on with our rest of our day. And yeah, so guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave it down in the comments. If you had a warm day, and by the time this video airs, it will be quite a few days from now, let me know.
Go ahead, you can poop.
Oh, Kitt was gonna have a number 2. Let me know what you did if you guys got the weather we got. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching. I thought I'd just throw this out there because the 66-degree day in February is extremely rare for southeastern Indiana. As a matter of fact, I've only seen one other day in January that actually got up to be about this warm, and that was over 20-some years ago. And that was 70 degrees in January. All right, guys, till next time, thanks for watching. Come on, let's get out of here.